So today is Deload, day 3, shoulders and supposedly traps if it doesn't kill me. I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea to hit dumbbell shrugs yesterday with my back training. I know I'm going to be paying for that today. Woke up this morning, my traps are pretty wrecked. Even from just a couple light sets with 70s, I was hitting like, I think 20 reps or something. Just getting like a squeeze at the top. But I think definitely my trap training, I always I don't really prioritize it nearly as much as I should. My traps are a big weakness of mine. Honestly, I just don't enjoy training traps. It's not fun for me. It's just something that I do because I know I have to do. But I normally put it, like if I'm going to do shrugs or upright rows or something like that, I'll throw it into my shoulder training, or like yesterday I'll throw it kind of midway through my back training, just to kind of get it done. I just try to take the sets till failure as much as I can, just try to like feel my traps working. It's never been super easy for me as far as, I'm always having some sort of issue. Depending on my grip, I'll start to feel it in my elbows a little too soon. I'll start to feel it like in my mid-back more. So traps has just never been really fun for me. So it's a big weakness of mine, and I try to throw it in my training whenever I get a chance. But again, like yesterday, I kind of screwed up, threw it in my back day, and I said maybe I'll end up hitting legs today. Woke up this morning, still want to give my legs a break. I just hit them on Sunday, so I said, okay, it's time to, we're gonna hit a little bit of shoulders. So yeah, I'm gonna be hurting. But about to pull into the gym right now. Gonna probably start with, I don't know, I'm really feeling some standing military press, like with a barbell. Even though I said, I was gonna stay away from like bigger, heavier, multi-joint exercises, I feel like, I don't know, I just woke up this morning, I said I want to do some military presses. And I probably won't drop any lower than like 10 reps or something. Probably keep to like a 60-second rest time. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm probably primarily going to stick to cables today if possible. We only have like one good cable machine here, so that might be a little bit difficult depending on, kind of looks like the gym's pretty full right now. Looking at the parking lot. finishing up a little walk outside. That's it for today. Gonna go hit some pancakes. Pretty much every day for the last, I'd say 2 months, I've been making some variation of pancakes, whether them being homemade or I think I'm using, I think it's Hungry Jacks or something like that. The extra fluffy pancakes, and they fluff up really nicely. They've been great. They've been really easy to eat. Right now, I actually have quite a bit of Greek yogurt at home that I need to eat. That's gonna go bad soon. So I may just, rather than using the Hungry Jacks, I'll probably make some pancakes just from scratch. So we'll see. I also have some Honey Nut Cheerios. I have some Honey Bunches of Oats, which is probably got to be my favorite cereal, some kind of variation on Honey Bunches of Oats. Post-workout, I usually treat myself really well. I kind of eat whatever I want as long as it's a little bit lower in fat, really high carb, simple carbs, something that's going to hit me really fast, kind of keep me full for a bit. And then normally I have one more meal before I go into work at 3 o'clock every day. Today I'm going a little early. I got to be in at 2, but the rest of the day it's usually pretty clean bro foods. And yeah, so that's pretty much my day so far, and gonna eat some kind of pancakes right now. So I was too lazy and too hungry to film me actually cooking all this stuff, and I'm just trying to get it done because I'm not running late to work, but I gotta kind of get going, gotta cook all my food. But I just wanted you to see that I ended up making some red velvet MTS whey protein pancakes with blueberries, and I got the last one going right here, just about ready to flip. She's burning a little bit. I didn't say they were pretty. Ooh, perfect flip. But yeah. Anyway, post-workout meal, ended up making pancakes with my Greek yogurt, couple servings of oatmeal, 1 scoop of MTS whey. Probably gonna do a full day of eating video, if not this week, sometime next week on a day off. But as for now, didn't really want to make a whole video. It would have taken too long. But yeah, anyway, that's what I'm gonna be eating today.